Na-dirty na naman. Na-dirty naman ang ball. The ball got dirty. Oh. Wash na again. Wash the ball again, my love. Okay. Your love is the greatest gift of all. Come here, my love. Come, baby. Here. Psst. Yeah. Sit here. Dali. You sit there. You stay there. Alright. Very good. In Beji watching. I know, right? Oh, catch it. Okay. I know, right? You're NBG. Wow. You're doing fantastic. Na-dirty na sad kay imong gikuan. You're doing fantastic. Oh, see? Kiara always doing fantastic. Fantastic what? Fantastic job. Loy wants to do his own thing. Yes, he is busy. Look, Loy. He's busy. Busy entertaining the dog outside. Like barking. Yes. Wow. Very good. Don't drop lagi kay agutoy na dirty na naman. Oh. Don't drop the ball. Here. I said don't drop the ball. After you catch, you must give me back. So that it won't be dirty because there's a lot of small grass from the grass cutting. Yeah. We do grass cutting yesterday, so that the small grass it goes to the ball. So I told you don't drop the ball. Alright. Yeah, you stay there. Yeah, very good. You understand what I said. You're doing fantastic. No green ball, maybe behind the green door. I think so. Wow! Oh, give me back. Don't drop. Ay. Wala ka. You catch it. Very dirty. I don't want to wash it again. Okay, very good. Anak ba? Don't drop. You give me back. That's good. Oh, see? And now? What's your plan? Hide. What's your plan, my love? You're very nice, unique ball. Who cut the grass, Lily? No. Lily. Lily's in the